Yeah.
Okay.
The market.
Yep, I getting markers.
The market rồi. Cường. Or only you.
Marcus joining. Oh, no.
So we wait him, right?
Yeah, how long?
Okay. Before demo film mapping for customer table, I want to ask some question.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Um, Regarding testing get the Lucid API.
Yep. Yes.
Yeah. Uh, can you see my screen?
Yes. Can.
Hello, afternoon. Sorry.
Okay. Morning, Marcus.
Morning. Actually, it's afternoon. Afternoon. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Okay. So yesterday we told about film mapping solution, and and today I just discussed with Robert, and we have a small change, um, because we will have different table and different column, uh, dif- uh, solution for different column is working fine. And if we have a different table, uh, we will separate a new function to detect different table. Um, so far we almost done for customer, and uh, 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 and so we will show you our progress. Regarding customer, we change three places. Um, the first thing we will have we have to define um, two common feature. Get a check column name. This feature is using for different column name, and get a check table name using for a different table. Then in config file we will define new table name for specific um, schema. Um, um, for example, uh, this SQL we will change it to um, first name. We will change uh, for each column name we will call common function get extract column name and um, replace string. For example, then we can set first name. We will this is for different column name, and after and after from table we will use function get as a table name. Do you understand? For other for another table and column name, we will use we also use two function and apply for we just start on our local and work their work fine.
Okay, so my understanding is the column function is the same as before. So you added the get exact table name.
Yeah.
Right? Yep. So that
Yeah.
means now we have to in the config we have to specify both the field and the table separately.
Yeah.
Yeah. This
Hmm?
Don't give us a minute. Let us. Never mind. Eugene, can you just bring up the issue and then we discuss?
I think it's okay because but the thing is we have to specify both. Like it's not as automatic that you just need to specify one time, like customer dot first name then equals to user dot first name. Then you will auto select the table user. So for this solution is that you have to specify customer dot first name equals to name, then separately you need to define table customer equals to user. So is this okay?
Yeah.
Can you go back to the config file so that we understand what we are configuring?
Yeah. For example, we use table country, and this is table config file. This is country for Thailand. We can define. We can heal. We can nation. National. Yeah. If for example, if in the new schema database, we will not found this table in the config file, so we will using table country.
Okay, Eugene, so just to confirm, your question was, so table dot country, I have to define the table and the field name map to something. Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying that it means you in a config you need to map the field and then separately you have to map the table. So you see
Okay.
this customer dot national ID equals to custom 9.
Yes.
Yeah, then if it's a different table, then you have to do another config for table dot customer equals to user. So I'm not sure if this is what you expected lah. Back to if I just put customer dot national ID equals to user dot custom 9. But the end result is the same. You will still query the correct table and field.
Okay, can you walk me through what you expect, Eugene, so that I understand better?
What I expect?
In the config, what you were explaining.
So
Sorry, Trung, can you jump back? Can you jump back to the config? Yeah.
I'm
thank
just
you.
trying to say that, yeah, so like customer dot national ID,
Yes,
so equals to custom line. So at this point, we only specify the field,
correct. Which is
yeah,
inside the customer table. Okay.
yeah, inside customer. So if now in the case that is a user table, at this,
Mhm.
so I still only specify custom line. So I need to specify again separately that table dot customer equals to user.
But my field names are all different in each table, right? If for example, national ID appears inside user table and national ID appears inside customer table. Okay.
Mhm.
But the field name, the actual field name, okay, inside your customer table and your user table are actually different. One is custom 9 and one is custom 8, for example.
Mhm.
I still need 2 rows of configuration to settle that, right? Correct.
I'm lost, sorry. Can you repeat?
Okay.
là customer
Ừ.
hay là user chẳng?
Mira, let me walk over to you. Sorry, Trung, let us discuss a bit to understand.
Yep.
Give us a minute. So I have customer, I have user. So one of these inside here is called custom.
Tức là nếu mà để mà để khi cả table lẫn lẫn collection mai vẫn đang được bình thường.
So if that's the case, I still need 2 rows of configuration. So class dot
Cái này đúng không? Thì cái này sẽ chuyển đến cái này đúng không? Còn cái này vẫn là lúc này nó sẽ chuyển đến cái này đúng không? Và cái này sẽ chuyển này đi đúng không?
NID equals custom.
Nói chung là làm cái này mình cứ setting đúng như này là được.
If you mean that if the API is using these both of these.
Yes. Because I need to map. I need to map that whenever I find a customer.nid inside customer table looking for NID, it is actually the field called customer.
Yes.
That's why I'm thinking it. So it's the same idea. If user inside the NID field is equal to customer, I have also defined it so that I can
Yes.
Cái này cũng không nhớ. Sẽ đi take cái này
this
là
is what they're currently doing.
cái
Yes.
chỗ nào cũng
So saying
So,
cái
no, I
user.
think that
Còn trong
let's
cái
say now
ông
there's only
customer
one. So then
và
now
đôi
the original one
user chẳng
is
đúng
customer
không?
to customer. Okay, so now I have a separate CRM. I don't have a customer table. Okay, so I have a user table and actually it's custom line. So I have the NID equals to custom 8. I'm sorry, equals to custom 9. Right. So then after that, I need to specify, okay, table, customer, and this one. This one I don't need already, because I said, I don't need this part. I mean is, I have to specify this, then I have to add one more, that table, customer equals to user. Because I'm trying to tell the system separately that customer table actually is user table. I need another config, the table
Cái
dot
định
customer.
cái đống này về trở thành như này.
So this one is this here, right? Is still customer, is still cast dot NID equals to custom 9. And then table dot customer is to user.
Về trở thành như này.
This is what you understand, because I just don't know if you assume that
So are you
it's,
actually see a keyword?
yeah, that's why I don't know.
Which is a bad. There's no way around it. So are you saying that should be a keyword? Then there should be another config for this. Means I start with this one. If I define this, all of these keywords will all change to this. If I change this to me, all of this will be me not equals to. Are you saying that?
No, I'm thinking that I don't know whether it can be done or not. I'm thinking that if customer class.nid, if I can straight away specify the table here. So class.nid equals to user.customer. Then it will select. But I don't know if this,
But why you want to do that?
yeah,
Yeah,
no, yeah.
this is NX variable, right? Because this is NX variable.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
this is SQL using this
select
keyword
ID from
.NID. So whatever we call this doesn't matter. It needs to just type out to this correct.
Yes.
Table class.
very easy.
And this table, that means that this is actually a table dot the field name. Correct?
No problem.
Which one? So there's one row that finds table
And
and
multiple rows
that
find
finds
field
field name.
Mm-hmm.
That's what he's doing.
Nên ta nhìn Việt Nam.
We
How can it be automated? So you want to automate.
Customer chain.
I don't know if it's better on
Because if I put table here, everything I gotta put another table.
yeah, where I like
Phone mọi cái phone.
but it might be complicated lah.
So complicated. Sounds easier for me if I just put here, but it just
Or
sounds
if it's to you it's easier to separate.
này đúng không? Chỗ này đúng không? Để giúp
It
mình
depends on whether they always come together. It doesn't always come together, right?
Thế này.
That means the table will always come together.
passport.
Này có anh
Con này
Design
anh phải
Because if there's an instance where they
add the apps nationwide.
are joining together, it's not a good idea.
Passport no ads nationwide.
Class.nid. This is the same user dot customer, right? Okay, which means
Yeah.
This
Cái
will
passport được.
I will never be able to use customer as a keyword because I never define anything as customer. So my question back, is there any point in time where this goes away? Because it's more flexible that way.
Yeah.
Đơn giản.
Because this, whatever they design, do you think it's inefficient? Or better? If it's not, then we do.
No, I think it's okay because the error is like
But will it be inefficient in the sense that it takes longer time to query?
yeah, actually the next question I was asking.
Okay, ask.
Hello, sir.
Sorry.
Hello.
No, sorry, we're back. I see you type something.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
Yijun Trung put something inside the chat.
I just give three a sample for three country. So you can see here.
Mm. Okay. Okay, I understand the config already, but I have a question. Just asking if so now that we change all field to this function, right? Will there be any performance issue? Because like every second there are query and because every function you are reading the file, right?
等一下我
Yeah.
Or anything with it, because it's like I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether will because you will keep reading the file, right, for every field.
Yeah, we need to read information and value from file and replace into query.
Yep. So I'm just worried that the performance issue, well, if there will be performance issue,
Mình anh cứ bảo là nó sẽ nó không lớn đâu, bởi vì cái file cái gì property ấy, cái file property này bọn tao đọc một lần thôi.
Yeah, it may have performance, but I think it is small issue because when we load config file, we read one time, and we use for own query.
Không tìm thấy config, chỉ có config trong file property thì nó sẽ trả lại luôn.
so it's like caching lah. There's the you load the config once, then you just read.
Yeah.
It's not like open close, right?
Yeah, we read
Yeah.
we read config one time.
Okay. Okay. Okay, you got any question?
No, the design looks okay to me because that's what we want, right? To replace everything with keywords so that all the fields can be configured accordingly. So again, this is just for legacy CRM that we need to connect to. Moving forward, for new platforms, this shouldn't be a problem that we will face. Okay. Question will be so Trung, to update all of this for all the APIs, how fast can the three of you work? Is it on the development? No more outstanding, right? Yeah.
For Lancome, no. But if we are going to migrate the existing one, there are 2 more API I need them to build.
Okay, because we need to finish doing this, then we need to define the next sprint on other things we need to develop with it.
So I think do this first.
Okay. Sorry. Chung?
Yep.
So how long do we need for updating all the APIs?
We can complete for customer module by end of today, and I need to check other module for the loyalty, purchase, and voucher, and I will give you deadline after meeting. I have to check. I have to double check with the Gmail robot. Yep.
Okay. I need all these updates to be done as fast as possible. Okay, so please help to get that sorted out. I will wait for you to let me know when we can update everything. So end of today, we expect this one function to be ready. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So well,
no questions.
what time do you expect?
What time I expect? What time can you give me now? What time can I expect? To me, it's always as fast as possible.
Okay. I see.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Can thanks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Goodbye.